Lauren, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and that you were joining the Vistage group today, an EL group? Tell us a little bit about your company and you.
Absolutely. I'm Lauren Besso. I'm the Vice President of Client Services at the Applied Companies. We're an HR consulting firm. Yeah.
So you've been a Vistage member in this group for 2 years?
Yes.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And we did the customer focus today.
Right.
That was awesome. What did you enjoy about today's session?
So much, but my biggest takeaway was Dale's exercise on asking the team to write down what is most valuable wait, did I say that right?
You're fine. Keep going.
Yeah, so what's most valuable and what with their product and to their
So
customers.
learning about why customers buy.
Right.
And then you also mentioned about systems, right?
Yes.
How important is that for your department?
Hugely important. We have a lot of tribal knowledge in our company,
Okay.
and so it's one of our biggest goals to get all of that tribal knowledge into a system.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Hey, I want you to know that being a Vistage member is the most important decision an executive can make. It will change your life for the better, both physically, mentally, emotionally, and for your business and your home. I highly recommend that you find a Vistage group. My name's Dale Richards. I've spoken over 450 times to Vistage groups, and I was a chair for 8 years. It was most valuable to me. Thank you, and find a Vistage group.